If you want ma MohBad air trendy, MohBad air Nigerian artist be a wahwere ne nkwa ya so wo no natural death say orchestrated so obi na eku no say juju na ye de ball no say bo na ye bo no wu ye say diabetes high blood pressure and eku no say dan yo obi a entumi entre na no na no wei any other enwoma brand yi efemu e won 27 years of life no ama amanfo ra ho bebre ewo eye wiase mu nyina sa na meka no because ade a na asem no atwa peti wiase mu nyina na eno na ama okopie mu Nigeria sisia na march upon march any candlelight upon candlelight and amanfo eye in honor of Abrantia and I say musician MohBad sa so eno mo request to say aban and I say police for a one Nigeria no omo hwe no mo make sure say justice there omo serve Abrantia ni bi because the fame we was asisi so no enya de we say nipa etumi efemu na eba ne sa no ama a police for etumi ekotu Abrantia no emu no efi form na da Abrantia no ewu ye no anadwo de suo mu be 12 midnight and Abrantia ne papa say ekwan bia so we sie no and ampanifo e community no ne kasa so on twem ade enche ansa wetumi akosie Abrantia yesi okoto efunu da ode ba ya Abrantia yunkum o na yebu ne kon mu kre na ye de na hye no nti wo hwe Abrantia no mu picture na oda adaka no mu a ne kon achia na wanwe ne se na oda adaka no no manfo say na wo ba wutumi ye ne sa nipa ewu wo a wonye muslim wo ye osofo enti se wo ba ewu a to boe se abre no kra wonni ska ode kwa akoto adaka ene efa no kwehye fridge mu na to obo na tie ska na to adaka obekomu na deda no na manfo mbefa ne ho mp o last respect na wutumi bu akwala no komu e de ne hye adakam amuna munu mu wa ekosie no na ebi mu ka say death certificate kra ebi nim saa so no mo se burial permit kra wo ni bi ekwo wan kasa wa sori asase a omo keka say Abrantia kra ne to asase ne ma wo ekosie akwala yi ewo so esan edi cement egu nane so na o pa kire sen enso a police we ko bu cement no mu no a omo de ko sesisia no omo kwa akoye autopsy na omo ahwe ade a ema Abrantia no ewuye autopsy yomo ekofa amuyi omo babonti beka so autopsy no de omo aye wie na enso no be 3-4 days ni Nigeria for any other people in other parts of the world trying for autopsy results na enya ade a omo nsa eka comment by no any Daniel say honestly this boy's father is my first suspect. His girlfriend, the person who took him to the hospital, and the nurse are my major suspects. Helen say it's so heartbreaking. God will judge whoever has a hand in it. Joss, he been having chills and sleepless nights since his incident. I know fit even day alone for dark room again. God, please let justice prevail so his soul can find eternal peace. Nelly essay. I heard that since he wasn't embalmed, so they will see blood. How true is this? Na de be pie mo ne se omuko tu omuko exhume emu no efi bebe esie no na amanfo se omu se moja ewo adaka ne mu enti na ebi mo se ana na onwu ye since no need death certificate bia no e na ne papa ne pre ne ho ekosie na ebi o sha ade ne mu no na ode ne nsa pempempempem ade a ema moja ba ya na eno ene na amanfo eka. Nelly say and I said Julius say omo true people know they sleep well. Oh, justice for MohBad. He will rest well and every other person too once justice is served.